Yes, happy Mother's Day once again. Yesterday night I filmed this video. That is on Sunday. I'll publish this video on Monday. Happy Mother's Day of yesterday. Yes, we still did do Happy Mother's Day. Thank you all for coming. Thank you for always supporting Naija Daughter TV. Yes, I'm a mommy of two living in France. I've been Naija daughter. I've been Naija-pidgin. Today I bring this our sister about our editorial too. Sis, editorial, I watch your short video how you say do it touch me and it break my heart. Yes, I see a lot of comments say please dust yourself. I know how you feel, but remember say na still have money, okay? No be say we hate you as I first talk. All of us we love you. I just want you this my platform to console you, to tell you say don't feel bad. Don't look say we don't love you. Don't look say nobody send you, nobody love you. We love you, but remember God love you the most. No matter how I go preach and say we like you or we love you, you know take am. But remember God love you and God creates you with the whole image. Wetin you go know say now people won't like you and people won't love you. Now I go tell you say my sister your mouth dey smell, okay? If we join you for this issue when e dey ground, you know say we be our mama will say support user. That is we dey support bad thing. You understand? We want make peace dey the street and make peace dey between you and her. That is why we see when truth today we tackle am. Not say we hate you. We don't hate you. I think say that say you say make she go send sign say she no ever talk about you. What of people when don't already talk about you too? What of the people can't decide to leak the secrets tomorrow? You cause na she see the talk am. My sister, wetin I go tell you and wetin I go advise you, pick your pieces and move on. May una sorry the noise una dey hear for the background. No say I tell una say I be mommy of two. Today na Sunday. My children dey house, okay? I just say may I use my platform to talk to my beautiful sister Editorial. You are a mom. You know for house, if you no dey happy, that house, your children go dey hear am. Your children go dey feel am. You understand? Please, not because of say we drag you, may we put you in the bad mood. No, we drag you for you to pay. You understand? So that you go free, so that you go there free. As you pay this money now, I believe say you are free, and you, in fact, you joy day. No, they feel bad. No, they feel say the world or your beautiful sisters for the white street say they hate you. We don't hate you. Me personally, I not hate you and like you. I love how you take stronger and I love where you did today. Those people when they come my comment section, can't drop comments, can't drop hate comment, can't drop whether me I go find work. I learn that from this our sister when you get almost 3 million editorial, 5 since I think I said don't change her to editorial daughter beauty something like that. But she tell una say na she this person still tell una editorial still tell una say why una go dey tell am say she no get job. Content creator na job. She dey make money and as editorial be now when she no dey go school, when no dey go work, she catch out more than those people who call themselves for Nigeria. Some doctors, this lady catch out pass them. Editorial e get money, she dey receive money for month ending pass people wey call themselves uh bankers. Yes, because she don already get her platform, she don already get her audience. Person wey dey create con ten t wey dey get above 1,000, you no fit tell me say she no dey catch out every month. Forget say no be by view, but view still dey. I know say no be still by view. You understand? Now una go come person comment section, una go tag. No, person when you dey create con ten t, to sit down and create con ten t is not easy. To sit down and talk to people e no easy. To sit down and compose yourself, you know, to talk to people e no really easy. Now una go just say we dey carry another person problem. Una dey carry another person problem. Wetin una come call those Chinese news? All those Chinese news, BBC, you say BBC they collect person news. BBC they go Nigeria, go they dig people news, go they dig people story, go they talk about people's story. You can't tell they say they don't get work. They catch out more than you when you they come my comment section, come say, Madam, go look for work, Madam, go do this one. I they work. I they do my work. If I upload this video now, YouTube go must add dollar inside. And you, when you can't drop the comment, I appreciate you. You watch me, that's why you drop the comment. But let's stop hate. When you see bad thing, tackle that thing. Say, this thing is not good. We are all mothers. Today we celebrate the good mothers. What will make you a good mother? Not be only your child when you put for womb. Now it make you a good mother. And once you don't put to bed, and you see other children that they fight, or that they quarrel, or that they, you know, you enter the center and you make peace. Now it make you a good mother. Not be just by, just say, I don't give birth. Now be mother. No. And you, when you still drop that comment for my comment section, say, who I don't help. I know use my platform to talk. If you help us, you do it for God. For only these streets when I don't take start, I did YouTube for a year plus. I can count a lot of people when I don't help for YouTube streets. Just this our street. I can count. Some who throw marks give me, but I not send. I can say this person when I don't still help at my little way. Not be about back home. I know just sit down for here they talk. I not come out from rich home, but I can boast say I try for my family. I can still boast say some of my community people, I can still boast say at least I impact some people. Wait till now just sit now just see person for social media now just start to they drop message, they drop not good. Two people they fight, we they try to make peace. We dey try to make both of them to dey okay. Who wrong? You tell them. What if you can't get many children? And one for inside, they always dey, you know, fit tell am say na you wrong. Just because of say she can't dey do pity face. You know, fit tell am say, my sister, na you wrong. I'm so happy say the matter end, but I say I go address some of my commenters. You know, good. Me, I not join anyone. I not say that this one like my favorite. No, I say the truth. When this matter first take come outside, I use this the same of my platform. Take blast the other one. Say no, you not do well. This lady make us to know you. And the video now I bring come out when I take talk to our sister. Say remember now you bring this particular person. Say make the word happen. Why the word happen? And why can't they pay you? I'm not. I still understand. Say because she can't they feel say I bring you, I help you. They beat me put. But something like that, you go use your brain. If you help person, if you want fight with that person, you will use long stick to take fight with that person so that you don't ever get na you or na this. No, you don't ever get that stain. Some people, when you help, I know that they beat person, but you need to use your sense. And you need to use long spoon to take it with that kind of person. If you use short spoon, the person will get you. And if you be person, when you they help person, other person things, they enter your eye, you not help. That thing must come back by fire. You not happy to our beautiful sister, Editorial. Editorial says, I love you. As I see that your video yesterday, it broke my heart because I'm a mom. If a mother not happy for house, that house, it get as it be. You be mother of 2 beautiful daughters when God bless you with. Dust yourself, you don't already pay. Thank your God, praise your God, say, you don't feel pay, or maybe your fans pay for you. Pick your pieces and, you know, keep going. Now the best me person I need for you, because now staying you by yourself do live stream, you say you dey hold her. You by yourself upload video, you say you dey hold her. Why can't you release the money? That is why we say release the money so that peace dey. No be say we don't love you. We love you, Editorial. We like you as a mother. As I see you that mood, I don't like her. Please and please, if there is any way when I talk to you, no say maybe I dey vex. I like say you dey talk to your junior brother, you talk to your junior sister, you talk to your senior sister, say sister and say now you wrong, do and still they do like say she not dey hear. You understand? She still they do like say now I'm right. You know, that kind of things. Maybe I can't use anger to talk to you and withdraw that my anger, my sister Editorial. Sorry if there is any way when I talk to you when you don't like, when you make you the day down, because it's not really easy to put a mother in bad condition or in bad mood. It's not really good. I be mommy too, okay? I think I hear noise now because today now Sunday. I be mommy. That is why I use this my video to reach out to you, my beautiful sister. Pick yourself and start giving us the content when you give us. Not change your niche because you still talk and say create and do vlog. It's easy for you. For me, people must say, do you understand me? When I sit down for you, I feel see something I'll talk about. You as I sit down for you now, some people say they do this, so they send you. People must talk. You can't please every human being. Wait till I go advise you. Be yourself. Try to they do wait till you know say you love and leave the rest for God. Okay? The content when you know, sir, if you say you know they bring anybody apart from your family, okay, but no change your niche because of people they talk to you or because of people mouth. Okay, for me, I just say, may I use this my media, may I use this my Naija Daughter Tv blast you, they talk to you wrongly, may I still use and talk to you, say, my sister, I love you as a child of God. Never you look down, never you feel bad, never you feel, you know, anyhow when you they feel. As I see that your video yesterday, I'm not happy, okay, because I be mom. I don't want any mother to be sad because it's not easy to give birth to a children. Because if you give birth to a children and you can't they feel sad, wait till you can't say make the children do, because now you get love, now they spread love. And if you just be mother, you can't they feel sad. If you don't feel happy, the children for the heart, they don't feel happy. My sister, I'm sorry, okay? If any of us, you feel say we don't like, you feel say, wait till I do the word, you never do anybody anything. We just want you to clear your name, clear your name and pay that debt so that may you dey free. Now you don't pay am, okay? Now they drag her, say make she go sign, make she go do this one. For me, move on. We did the social media. We dey see, okay? We dey see. No disturb yourself. As you don't pay am, kudos to you. And everything, you help am. Me, on myself, I talk about you. I know say you help am, but when you help person, not me say make the person not shine, make the person not grow. You help am so that make poverty stop. They help us. Me when they talk, somebody still help me. You when you they talk, somebody still help you. You understand? For that, pick your pieces and move on. I love you. Not look say we not love you. Me, Naija Daughter, I love you. God love you the most. Your beautiful family, that is your daughter, your husband, everybody, your house, they love you. Pick yourself and move forward. Okay? No feel bad, no feel down, no feel like reject. Nobody rejects you. I love you, my beautiful Editorial and Emmy family. Editorial, daughter, beauty, I be Editorial 556. Now that one data my man. I love you. Okay? I just use this my media to send my premiere that they go on for Naija Daughter about Regina Daniel. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't drop hate comment. Drop comment when you go DJ her, when you go encourage her. Okay, please. It's not easy. Somebody to now that tonight be her job. She always talk and say, nah, YouTube be her job. Please, no discourage. If they drop comment of bullying, please stop. She don't already pay. Please, let's stop and let love lead, not hate. Okay? I love you, my beautiful people. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mothers to all the beautiful moms. True mommy, happy Mother's Day. All my whitey mommy, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to my beautiful mom, my super mom, my superior, my everything, my beautiful mommy. Pata pata. Happy Mother's Day, mommy. Happy Mother's Day to me. Yes. I'll see you next video. Ciao.
Now everybody go to breakfast.